Hey, what's going on? We're on to our last cycle, which is the phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus cycle is pretty straightforward. One major difference of the phosphorus cycle compared to the other nutrient cycles is there's no atmospheric component. Phosphorus never really turns into a gas. It's always either locked in the biosphere or the lithosphere or the hydrosphere. So phosphorus exists in rocks on land, right? Sediments in the ocean. Erosion, weathering can release those phosphates from the rocks. Plants can absorb it once it's kind of in the water or it's in soil. Once it's in plants, nice and easy. We get it through the food chain, just like everything else. And then as decomposition takes place, it gets moved back into sediments, into rocks, into oceans and streams. So again, the food chain plays a major role with how we get our phosphorus. Why do we need phosphorus? Well, we need it for ATP, adenosine triphosphate. We need it for DNA. We need it for RNA. So key components of nucleic acids. But again, the phosphorus cycle is pretty straightforward, right? We have it locked up in rocks. We have it locked up in sediments, right? Erosion, weathering takes place. That phosphorus can kind of be leached into the water. It can be absorbed by plants. Once it's absorbed by plants, it's passed down through the food chain, right? And that's how we get our phosphorus from the food chain. When organisms die, decomposition takes place, returning that phosphorus back into the ground, back into soil, back into sediments. So again, the phosphorus cycle is pretty easy. Thanks for listening.